students. Welcome to my English lesson. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Lê Thị Hương, an English teacher from Châu Thành Secondary School. Today, I'm very happy to be here with you. In this lesson, we together study Unit 4 of English 8. Are you ready? Yes? Now, let's begin the lesson. Look at the pictures and clues under. Tell me the topic of lesson. Mid-Autumn Festival. Living in stilt house. Making chưng cakes. Thanksgiving. Con họ singing in burning. So, what is the topic of lesson? Oh yes, it's our customs and traditions. In this lesson, we focus on three main contents. Part 1, vocabulary. Part 2, pronunciation. Part 3, grammar. First, we go to Part 1, vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Explain. Explain. For example, the professor is explaining the theory to his students. Accept. Accept. Respect. Respect. For example, we should respect our teacher. Generation. Generation. Sense of belonging. Sense of belonging. Worship ancestors. Worship ancestors. Wedding anniversary. Wedding anniversary. lasagna, lasagna. Cutlery, cutlery. Table manner, table manner. Host, host, hostess, hostess. For example, in a lot of countries, the host usually invites everybody to start eating. One more time, listen and repeat. Explain, explain. Accept, accept. Respect, respect. Generation, generation. Table manner, table manner. Worship ancestors, worship ancestors. Sense of belonging, sense of belonging. Wedding anniversary, wedding anniversary. Lasagna, lasagna. Cutlery, cutlery. Host, hostess, host, hostess. Let's check vocabulary with this exercise. Complete the sentences with the words from the box. Let's answer. Okay, give your answers, please. Number 1. Which one is the correct answer? We use respect. We should respect our customs and traditions. 2. The answer is worshipping. A lot of countries in the world have the tradition of worshipping their ancestors. 3. That's right. Accepted. Agree means accepted. 4. Good job. We use host. In a lot of countries, the host usually invites everybody to start eating. 5. Good. Cutlery. In Vietnam, the cutlery we mostly use is chopsticks. Last one is generations. For generations, my family has visited this pagoda. Good job, students! In this lesson, we learn one more common expression. You're kidding. It's used to show you are surprised at something that somebody has just said. Did you know another expression that has the same meaning? I give you some. You must be kidding. You're joking. You must be joking. Let's try more at home, students. Did you know customs and traditions in Vietnam clearly? Let's try ourselves with this exercise. Match the pictures with the customs and traditions. Okay, let's check. Number 1. Which picture is correct? That is picture G. Smiling to accept a compliment. 2. The answer is picture C. Worshipping ancestors. 3. Across, picture F. Wrapping gifts in colorful paper. 4. That's right, picture H. Having lunch together on the second day of Tet. 5. Good job, picture E. Placing the chopsticks on top of the rice bowl when finishing a meal. 6. Picture A is correct. Children in the family standing in a row to greet guests. 7. Yes, picture B. Wearing outside on special occasions. 8. Last one is picture D. Giving children lucky money at Tet. Excellent, students. We move to part 2, pronunciation with clusters, spr and str. Let's watch the video about cluster spur.
This is spray. S, p, r, spr.
S, p, r, spr.
Spr. A, spray.
Spr. A, spray.
Spr. A, spray.
Spr. A, spray.
Spr. Ing, spring.
Spr. Ing, spring.
The video about straw.
This is string. S, t, r, str.
S, t, r, str.
Str. Ing, string.
Str. Ing, string.
Str. Ing, string.
Str. Ing, string.
Str. Ong, strong.
Str. Ong, strong.
The video about straw and straw.
Spring, string, spray. Spring, string, spray. Spring, string. Spring, string. String, spray. String, spray. Spring, string, spray. Spring, string, spray. Spray, string, spring. Spray, string, spring. In spring, we need string. In spring, we need string. And a can of bug spray. And a can of bug spray. In spring, we need string and a can of bug spray. In spring, we need string and a can of bug spray.
Let's do this exercise.
Complete the words under the pictures with spr or str. Then listen and repeat.
1. Straw. 2. Street. 3. Spring. 4. Spray. 5. Astronaut. 6. Frustrated. 7. Espresso. 8. Newsprint.
Listen and circled the words with spr and underlined the words with str. Then say the sentences.
1. In my family, all the traditions of our ancestors are strictly followed.
2. The custom of saying hello to strangers has spread through our community.
3. In our district, it's the custom for residents to sweep the streets on Saturday mornings.
4. That film strip really highlighted our customs and traditions.
5. Parents usually want their offsprings to follow the family traditions.
We move to part 3, grammar. In this lesson, we review should and shouldn't to express advice. We have form subject plus should or shouldn't plus verb bear. Example, we should help our people. Children shouldn't climb trees. Practice. Look at pictures and complete sentences with should or shouldn't. Number 1. Which one is correct? Answer is should. You should respect our people. Number 2. Can we use should here? No, we must use shouldn't. According to tradition, you shouldn't sweep the floor on the first day of Tet. Number 3. Should is correct. Children should take things from adults with both hands. 4. Can we use should? No, we use shouldn't. You shouldn't wear shorts when going to the pagoda. 5. Good. We use should. You should bring a gift when you visit someone's house. Today we learn how to express obligation or necessity. We have affirmative form, subject plus have to or has to plus verb bear. Example, we have to clean the house carefully before Tet. Negative form, subject plus don't have to or doesn't have to plus verb bear. Example, she doesn't have to wear a company uniform. question. Do or does plus subject plus have to plus verb bear. Example, do you have to follow the tradition of cleaning the house before Tet? Practice. Complete the sentences with the correct form of have to. Okay, what are your answers? Number 1, we use have to. My mother says that I have to be home by 9 p.m. sharp. 2. The answer is have to. We have to go now because our desk is waiting for us. 3. Has to is correct. She has to wear that costume because it's the family tradition. 4. Had to and don't have to. In the past, men had to wear outside, but today they don't have to wear it. 5. It's a question, so we use does have to. Before leaving the dinner table, does your son have to ask for permission? 6. Didn't have to is correct. We didn't have to go to school today because it was raining heavily. Well done, students. Let's review must and mustn't. We use must and mustn't is an order. We have from subject plus must plus verb bear, subject plus mustn't plus verb bear. Example, you must arrive on time. You mustn't be late. If you want to tell somebody not to do something as an obligation, use mustn't. For example, you mustn't park here. Look at the rules of classroom. Complete the sentences by using must or mustn't. Okay, number 1. We use must or mustn't. The answer is must. We must arrive on time. 2. Must is correct. She must clean the room floor and the board. 3. Can we use must? No, we use mustn't. They mustn't talk in class. 4. Mustn't is right. The boys mustn't play football in the schoolyard. Last one is must. People must put the garbage in the waste basket. How many correct answers do you have? I hope that you did well. Okay, students, we have just completed our lesson. I hope that this video will support useful knowledge of Unit 4 to you. Thank you for joining my lesson. Goodbye.